pretending to hide these fish. Yay!
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Here we go. This was our albergue, and we're on the 3rd and 4th floors. Leaving town. And we are absolutely on trail. It always takes a long time to get round a roundabout, because the pedestrian crossings are always a long way from the roundabout. But essentially we're just going straight on, but we've gone over 4 or 5 crossings to do it. At the 101 kilometre mark, you go through an underpass, but it's got a lovely mural. We're back in Spain, so that means murals. The underpass itself is a normal graffitied underpass, but Spanish water. It's a big eucalyptus tree. Didn't see one for 100 kilometers to go. This is 99.84. Watching other pilgrims on the road ahead. Just to confirm a major difference between the Portuguese part of it and the Spanish. Here we are, very small Spanish town, and yet there's water, there's a place to sit, there's a place to put rubbish, and signage. Good morning, day 8. So we got to Porrino last night. Nice enough walk through river valleys and beautiful bridges. The albergue was okay. We're in a room with multiple bunks, but at our end it was empty, so it was a very quiet night. And then starting out this morning, we're supposed to have an up and a down. I think we probably had it. There really aren't any ups and downs. And yes, you can really see, I'll turn around the video, you can really see an increase in the number of pilgrims. It's quite an increase in the number. So last night we actually booked all of our accommodation up to Santiago. So, and quite a few of the places I tried were full. So it's worth doing. But it should be a good day today. It's forecast to be nice weather. Takes a little while for the cloud to burn off, but let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Coming in to the centre of moss. This is the view from behind the church in Moss. Semi-rural. The Camino store. The council offices. And the local square. Another water fountain. quiet as a mouse dog's. Just hearing a vehicle go by. You're just quiet. Very good scratch. Interesting. We have a Coca-Cola sign with a shell saying Bon Camino. The last rise for the day. The only way into that property. It's a bond lair. Evidence we got to the top of the hill. And at the very top of the hill, there's a chap selling things, and you can get a stamp. Reach the top, a short flat bit, and then you start your way down. The sun's out. Yay! I think this is another Roman milestone. Not Quicket. Yeah, it looks like it from the translation. Goats. You just love brambles.
Lovely fresh brambles.
Generally, you're walking on quiet country roads on this section, but every now and again, you do actually have to go through quite large villages and the accompanying traffic. I was wondering what was in here, but it's you guys. Hello. The start of the downhill section. Hopefully we'll get some views around the corner. Yeah. Local airport somewhere. Everybody's stopping. Loads of picnic tables. Down we go. 90.9 kilometers to go. Painted street all the way. Cuttlefish in the middle, coat of arms at the bottom. This is the main church. Into the gloom. So, the 19th century viaduct, still in use today for rail. Not even pretending to hide these fish. Should be able to get in. So, come through the door. Come through to the kitchen and a seating area. It's supposed to be 4 beds. That's 2 of them. We have a blind. And then we have our room. We get our own balcony to the outside world. And a place for our washing. So we can look up and down.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.